Hello everyone. Today I have here with me the Hydro Flask sports water bottle is what I believe it's called. The name of it, and this is their logo right here. Now I'm gonna jump right into this just so you guys are wondering the other designs. Basically right now it's a trend, to put stickers on your Hydro Flask, and so in case you guys are wondering, that does not come with it. Purchase those on my own, and a lot of people are currently just doing it to design. It's something you carry with you. It's a little bit about you, I guess. Yeah, just wanted, in case you guys don't wonder why it comes with those random stickers or anything like that. Now, what is super special with this sports water bottle is basically that it is double wall vacuum insulated, meaning it is gonna keep your hot drink super hot and your cold drink super cold. Literally, if it's a temperature drink, it will maintain at a temperature, so it doesn't make it cold or make it hot. It literally keeps it however you put it in, literally for the most part. Meaning, it's so useful in any weather type, For example, in the winter, I definitely will put my hot cocoa in there, and I can go out all day and it'll still be super hot without, affecting the taste or anything like that. In the summer, I will literally put ice cold water, include some ice, and it will take a while to melt, I've left it in the car in the super hot weather, and it still maintains super cold because of the technology it has. Now this is the 40-ounce one, and they do come with so many types of colors, bottle sizes and types, and lids. And I think that's one of the also really good things is that you can really make it what you want, when you purchase it. You kind of get to choose and stuff like that what you want with it. And this is the stainless steel, you can hear it, and the lid is plastic. This is the wide mouth and free straw lid one. So, it doesn't leak when it moves around. Plastic lid, super easy to clean. There you go, and you just lift it and drink, Super easy. Even if you keep it up, it won't leak really. I've never had a problem. It also comes with this right here. So it's like an attachment to hold, or it gives you a very solid, because obviously this is big for my hand, but with this it makes it so easy. I know some people who have smaller ones, or even these sizes ones, definitely put a little hook and then hook it up to their pants or backpacks. I love this. It's just so easy to carry around with you, especially with such a good water bottle. You definitely want to take it with you, and maybe sometimes it has to just hold it with you, so you definitely could attach it to many things right here, or it's just such a good grip to have to your finger so you don't forget, or even the lid, it's small enough to where you can hold it. It's just such a good thing that they have. This is the inside. Like I said, it's stainless steel, super easy to clean. Flavor transfer is so it's just not there. Sometimes when you, for example, have hot cocoa in there and then you put water, you may have a little bit of taste in any other water bottle, a little bit of hot cocoa, but definitely not with this. And you don't even have to get obviously I clean it well just because I want it to be well maintained, but you don't have to go super good just because it's this high technology thing. No, it's super easy to clean, and it definitely doesn't have any taste transfer whatsoever. Like I said, there are, as of for this type of size, I believe there are 10 colors, maybe even more by now. Different lids and just so many things you can choose to make it you and suitable for you, with it having its awesome technology. Especially just this, I just think that's so awesome. A lot of water bottles definitely don't come with that, especially if they're customized or whatnot. I know they're just super popular right now at the moment as well, and I believe that they will continue to be on a good use just because it's something that people use every day, and it just, especially with it, different seasons, you don't really have to put it down at any time. It is BPA-free recyclable, and it does come with lifetime warranty if you like as well. So the technology is so good that the company definitely cares about us, just keeping it well and continue to be with this brand, because it's just such a good brand, and recommend this all the time. Literally just you know, people ask me, why do you have such a big water bottle with you, blah blah, and I just think it's worth it, you know. Carrying it with you is so worth it, because my water's gonna be ice cold, my coffee's gonna be, you know, freaking hot, and it's just so useful for every day, you know. It does also come with small ones for kids as well, so you know, if you want your kid to have ice cold water all day at school, I definitely, you know, suggest that, especially in the hot weather, or you know, maybe in warmer weather and you go out, you just want them to have warm milk. Literally, it's not gonna go bad at all. You know, definitely don't leave it. And it's not it being milk, but it will keep it warm with you as long as you have it with you, and you know, it doesn't go bad and stuff. And like I said, when you change drinks, you don't have to worry about it just being a water bottle or just being for, you know, your child, especially for children with juice and milk and stuff like that. It's just so suitable, and like used throughout adults, teenager, kids, even like, you know, infants, to keep your infants like juice cold, like I said. And right now, like I said, it's pretty trendy, especially with all the, like, you know, the things you can do with it and stuff like that. And I've had this for, I want to say 2 years, and I definitely recommend it. You know, when I was lifeguard, I used it, you know, kept my water cold all day, especially out there in the sun. And you know, I've had so many awesome experiences with it, and I will continue to definitely use it, you know, until it goes bad or, you know, anything happens to it. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped.